In this video, let's talk about the way that you check your portfolio value inside of Robinhood. If you've been investing for some time inside of Robinhood and you want to check out the total value that you currently have within, whether they be from stocks, ETFs or options, you can take a look at all of the value that you have all at once or from an individual level. In order for you to view the portfolio all at once, you need to head over to the home screen, which is going to be this icon on the left hand side. Once you're inside of the home screen, you're going to see the section called investing. Underneath it, you're going to see the dollar value is the total portfolio value that you have inside of Robinhood. So if you see any amount of value underneath investing, that is going to be the total amount of value that you currently hold inside of your account. You can also see the dollar value that you gained today and the percentage value as well. Now you can also change the date range on the bottom. By default, 1 day would be selected. If you want to know the value of all time, you can just tap on the all option on the right. Now if you're trying to check the value for any particular stock or ETFs, you can scroll down and head over to the stocks and ETF section. Underneath the stock and ETF section, in order to look at the value, just tap on any stock that you own. And inside you're exactly gonna see the number of shares that you own, the market value, the average cost, and your total returns as well. So through this section, you'll be able to view how a particular stock or ETF is performing. So that was the video about the way that you check your portfolio inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you guys are interested in more videos similar to this.